So we would like to compute the definite integral from -1 to 0 of x cubed minus 3x. To this end, we are going to use the fundamental theorem of calculus. What this tells us is that if we know an antiderivative for the integrand, meaning the function that is being integrated, then the integral from a to b of f of x dx is equal to f of b minus f of a. So how does this translate to our case? We need to find the function. So we need to find f uppercase of x so that its derivative is equal to x cubed minus 3x. So such a function can be found simply by taking into consideration that the antiderivative of x to the n is x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1. So we're going to have 1/4 x to the 4th minus 3. So always we work with the monomial and keep the constant in front. And that will give us 1/2 x squared. So the integral from -1 to 0 of x cubed minus 3x dx will be, so we always start by putting the upper endpoint, so that will give us 1/4 0 to the 4 minus 3 times 1/2 0 squared minus 1/4 -1 to the 4th minus 3 times 1/2 times -1 to the 2nd. Okay, the first parenthesis is all of them are clearly zeros. And for the second one, we will get 1/4 minus 3/2, which is the same thing as -1/4 plus 3/2. Let's clear denominators. So that will be -1/4 plus 6/4, which will give us 5/4. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching.